Hello everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda, and today guys I have been challenged by Marsha Lee from Blind Stitches Creations to do the blindfold challenge, knitted blindfold challenge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blindfold myself, and then I am going to do some knitting. So I will just go get a blindfold and let's see how I do, shall we? Okay guys, I'm going to blindfold myself. And here we go. So, oh, it seems so strange. Let's hope I don't drop a stitch, shall we? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to knit till the end of the row. It seems really strange. It gives you kind of a new understanding really of how Marsha Lee does her creations, and feeling the stitches as I go, and I hope you can see what I'm doing. I know I can't, so it seems really strange. So I'm going to do this knit row, and then I know the next row's a purl, so I want to give it a try and see if I can purl. We'll see. It's, not only have I got the blindfold on, I've got my eyes shut as well. Yeah, I think fingers crossed I'm doing okay, and hats off to you, Marsha Lee, for all the creations you create. And thank you for asking me. So we'll see. The proof will be in the pudding, guys, when I finish. I'm usually quite a quick knitter, but I'm taking my time because I don't want to drop any stitches, but we will see. Just bear with me a minute. I'm videoing Rick. Sorry about that, guys. Rick just wanted me to know if he wanted to start lunch. I'm nearly coming to the end of my row, I think. Yeah, I think I've got a few more stitches to go, so let's see. And then what I'll do is, I'm not going to do the whole of the purl row, but I just want to see if I can do it. So that, I think I've got 2 more stitches left, and so that's that. And then I don't feel like I've lost any, so it just shows you how I'm purling this row, so how touch is so important when you have no sight. So I seem to be doing okay. So I think I'll leave it there because I don't think you want to see me purl the whole of this row. Let's see. Oh, I'll just lift this up. Well, I applaud you, Marsha Lee, for creating the beautiful projects that you do. that was not difficult for me per se, but I can totally appreciate. And if you see, I don't think I've dropped any of my stitches. My knitting is a bit tighter than what I usually do, and so yeah, so I will put the link to Marsha Lee's YouTube channel down below. If you've not subscribed to her, then please do. I know she's looking to reach 600 subscribers, and check out her videos, and leave a comment saying that you come from Linda's channel, LindaAnnSimpson Designs channel. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, Marsha Lee, for challenging me to the knitting blind stitches challenge. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and be kind to you. And until next time, bye for now.